Welcome to Real Numbers, Class 10 Mathematics. In this lesson, we will learn the basics of real numbers, their types, key properties, and the important theorems you need for your 2026 board exams. Real numbers include all rational and irrational numbers. A rational number is one that can be written as a fraction of two integers, and an irrational number cannot be written as a simple fraction. Both together form the real numbers, which can be represented on the number line. The fundamental theorem of arithmetic states that every number greater than 1 can be uniquely written as a product of prime factors, ignoring the order. For example, 84 equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. You can find HCF and LCM using prime factorization. Use the unique prime factor form to compare factors and calculate. HCF is the product of common primes with the smallest powers. LCM is the product of all primes with highest powers. For example, HCF of 12 and 18 equals 6, and LCM of 12 and 18 equals 36. Here are the key points to remember. Real numbers include rational plus irrational numbers. Rational numbers can be written as terminating or repeating decimals. Irrational numbers have non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. The fundamental theorem of arithmetic helps in HCF and LCM. Decimal expansion helps differentiate rational and irrational numbers. Practice all numerical problems, especially prime factorization, HCF and LCM using prime factors, and proofs of irrationality. These form the core of your exam questions.